Introducing a better way to hang banners with Banner Up's starter kit. The Banner Up's method is faster, stronger, and easier than Grommets. Just watch how easily this grommet rips through a 13-ounce banner material. This won't happen with Banner Ups because the force is spread out through a larger area. Simply stick and fold the Banner Up's Bravo tabs onto the banner corners. Then on the back, apply clear power tape along the top and bottom edges. Use the easy punch to punch holes through the tabs and tape. Secure your rope and you're ready to hang. Banner Up Starter Kit allows you to finish super strong banners in just minutes. Banner Ups have been wind tunnel tested up to hurricane force winds. The starter kit contains everything you need to start saving time and money. Order a Banner Up Starter Kit today.